My annotated biography is Education 254 Health, Safety, and Nutrition for Young Children, Spring 2019. The first book I want to talk about is Food for Healthy Teeth. Foster H. 2016. 6. Food for Healthy Teeth, Bloomington, and M.N. Capstone Press. The book Food for Healthy Teeth was designed for younger children between 6 to 7. This book teaches children about foods that are healthy for their teeth. It goes on to talk about different kind of foods that are healthy for their teeth and foods that they should avoid eating. As a result of reading this book, the objective of the book is for students to understand the kind of foods they should be eating to keep their healthy teeth. A brief learning activity, students will compare different foods that harm and keep their teeth healthy. That don't harm their teeth to keep them healthy. Activity evaluation. Students will be creating a pros and cons list of the different foods that promote healthy teeth. They will be given the chance to come up with different foods that they learned from the reading of the book to create the list of healthy foods. Germs are not for sharing. Talks about how to prevent germs from spreading and blocking germs. It goes into depth about how to prevent germs from spreading and how to prevent them. For some examples are washing hands, covering their mouths when coughing, and staying clean from germs. As a result of the reading this book, children will be able to explain and understand the cause of germs and how to prevent them from spreading. They will also be able to use the methods they learned to keep germs from spreading. A brief learning activity. Students will create a poster on how to prevent germs from spreading. Activity evaluations. In the activity, students will be able to display their knowledge on preventment of germs. They will be able to use the information from the reading to create their poster. I Can Be Safe. Thomas P. 2003. I Can Be Safe. Hopkins and Y. Barron Education Series. The book mentions how children should stay safe in every kind of situation. It goes into depth on what they should know on how to stay safe and what is not safe. In the book, it gives them different examples on what they should do in case they feel scared, how to go about it. Lastly, that being able to learn how to stay safe is a part of life and growing up. As a result of the reading this book, the objective of the book is for students to be able to understand ways to stay safe and what's not safe. A brief learning activity. As a group coming up with ways to stay safe and actions to take when doing it. Activity evaluation. In the activity, students will be able to demonstrate ways of keeping safe when they are scared. They will be able to share out loud with the class what they came up with. Each group will have to share 3 things they came up with the class. The last book I want to talk about is Watch Out on the Road. Lewin C. 2006. Watch Out on the Road. Hopkins and N.Y. Barron Education Series. In the book, children are able to learn the rules of the road when driving with their family. They are also able to read about crossing the sidewalks or streets. They will also read about advice that adults give the children on staying safe. As a result of the reading this book, students will be able to identify safety ways to stay safe when out in the road or streets. A brief learning activity, students will be able to come up with rules and tips on how to stay safe when on the road or crossing the streets. Students will write down a list of rules for them to remember when out in the road or when crossing streets.